Hi everyone, welcome to Phone Transformer. Today, I'm going to show you a cool trick that will show you how to fix mobile data connection problems on Xiaomi devices. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. Now, let's get started. The first way to fix the mobile data connection problem on Xiaomi is to clean up your files. Open the security app on your phone. This is the app with a shield icon. Tap on the cleaner option at the bottom of the screen. This will scan your phone for any unnecessary files that you can delete. Here, you can choose Deep Clean to remove more files and free up more space. You can also select which files you want to keep or delete by tapping on the checkboxes. After you have selected the files, tap on the Cleanup button at the bottom. This will delete the files and optimize your phone. Restart your device and try to use your mobile data again. You should see an improvement in your connection speed and stability. If this method doesn't work for you, or you still have a mobile data connection problem on Xiaomi, you can try the second way, which is to reset your APN settings. To reset your APN settings, follow these steps. Go to Settings on your phone. This is the app with the gear icon. Tap on the SIM cards and mobile networks option. This will show you the details of your SIM card and mobile network. Choose your SIM card under SIM card settings. This is the SIM card that you use for your mobile data connection. Tap on access point names. This will show you the list of APN settings for your SIM card. Tap on the reset option from the bottom. This will restore your APN settings to the default values. Restart your device and try to use your mobile data again. You should be able to connect to the internet without any problem. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.